Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that things with you. Here we work with our click event. So if you click as a click event, then it will be show some of the alert message. That means with the method, right? So into the method area, I added one of the alert, and also there is a console data. So right now I don't want to actually do that work. Right now I want to work with the state manipulating. So how can do that work? Like here, right now I want to update our code. That now we don't need this. I just make the things as a note. Okay, I just put that things as a note, and also here I take another again. That will be as a 3. So here I added our all that array, the 0 and 1 and the 2. So I just want to update at the 0, 1 and the 2, right? So I have already discussed about that things with you. Now if you click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, yeah, now you can see it's now showing as a fruit name mango. That means our 1, 0, 1 and the 2. So now I want to manipulate our this all the data. That means here if you click as a click me, when you click as a click me, then our mango will be updated, apple will be updated, and also orange will be updated. Okay, so how can do that work? How can working with this states manipulating? In this video I will show you that things with a live example. So for doing this, I have already created one of the property in our click event area. That means here I have already added that this and then our click event, right? That means that is actually our method. So into this position, I want to load like when you click as a this click event, then our this data will be replaced with our new data. Okay, so if you want to add that our states, like there you can see that is actually our states. So right now I also want to add another states, because I want to replace our old states all that value, and I want to replace it with our new one, right? So if you want to use it, then also into the React JS they have another method as a set states. Okay, so you can actually do that work with using that set states. Like here if you want to do this like that way as a this, whatever actually we did that before as states, right? These states, and then the fruits, and into the fruits area that is our value as a 0. That means our 0 index data, and into the 0 index data if you want to actually replace it with our new one as a Samsung or whatever you want. So I just make as a Samsung. Okay, like this will be our new value. So if you actually use with these states, then it should be show some of the error. Okay, so you cannot actually do that work like that way. Here we have to use another one. We have to use another in our React JS that have another method as a set states. So we can actually do that work with this, like I show you. So there is a this, and with this they have the another method as a set states. You can see there is a set states. So with this set states we can actually do that work. So that is our part. That means that this set states, and into the set states area I want to replace our this array. So better I just simply copy our total things, and here I just simply paste it. Okay friend, so I just simply paste it on here. So now I want to replace it. That was actually the mango. So now I want to replace it with the Samsung, Apple, and then the Nokia. Okay, and that will be as a Nokia. That means when you now click as a click, that means click event, when our click event will be activated, then it should be redirected to our this property area as a click handler. And to the click handler area I have already created one of the method. So that is the method area. I just simply added our one of the another method in React JS, that is a set states. So with this set states I get all that our data, and I want to replace it. I want to replace our all that our this array value. Okay, so I want to actually replace it. So now let's check this out. With this we can actually manage it. Click as a save all, and now go here, refresh this page, and now you can see that is actually our by default one as a mango, the apple, and the orange. So now if you click as a click me, yes, you can see friend, now it's automatically updated as a Samsung, Apple, and the Nokia. So if you also check it, like I just refresh it, click as a our inspect element again, and go to the element. Into the element area, if you open that div, that means there is also all the div, right? That is our mango, the apple, and the orange. And now if you click as the click me, you can see it's now updated our this DOM. Okay, that means this dump area automatically is updated as a Samsung, Apple, and the Nokia. And again you refresh it, it should be load our default one. And then when you actually click our click event, okay, into the click event area, when you click it, then our DOM is reloaded and automatically it's updated our this state data. I hope you can well understand about it. So we can actually manage that things with using our this set, that means the set state. So with this method we can actually replace our DOM data. So what exactly that DOM data? So it is also one of the part I want to share with you. So better I want to do in our next video, I want to discuss about the DOM. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.